नमस्कार, हमारे साथ हैं टेक न्यूज़ रैली के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर अजय कुमार। आइए जानते हैं जिस प्रकार से यहाँ पर सेंटर में कार्यक्रम कर रहा है, क्या कुछ सुनते हैं। सर, आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जिस प्रकार से यूएस इंटरनेशनल ने अभी 8 एनुअल मीट कर रहा है और लगातार युवाओं को भी जोड़ रहा है, क्या कुछ कहेंगे आप?
The US International is doing commendable work as far as the new stabilities and the developments in the education era is concerned. They've been giving the exposure to the students across the globe and the wider arena, international arena, and they have been putting efforts to make that the students can become a global citizen. So they've been through the international internship across board, industrial visits across board, international arena, and then giving the internship and summer training and the job placements also. So they are doing very good work as far as this sphere. This is a neglected space as far as all institutes are concerned, all the industries are concerned. They have created a niche in itself, and they've been able to fill the gap which has been requirement of the time as far as the situation what the students and the institute are facing as of now.
जी जी, खास तौर से इन्होंने लॉफ्ट कैरियर की शुरुआत की है ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन की। क्या कुछ कहेंगे कि क्या कुछ इससे स्टूडेंट को लाभ होने वाला है?
Online education is a long outstanding demand in India. It's been a bit late over here in India. It's already there in US and in everywhere. The good advanced countries are already in this thing. But of late, with this new education policy, we try to envisage that this part is going to take up a new shape. Reason being, India is a very big country, 125 plus population. International reach for the higher education is very less. Even if you talk in terms of the developed nation, it has got 28% reachability. Over here in India, with private university composition and other things, we could not able to reach up to 8% level. So somewhere or the other, its demand is very, very high, very, very high. So higher education reach, only this territory is important, which can be able to reach to outreach person sitting on the top of the hill. He can be able to study. So there is no, and it's a lifelong learning.
क्या कुछ संदेश देंगे आज के युवाओं को? आज खास तौर से न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आ गई है, ऐसे में कैसे वो अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाएं?
What I can say that there is no age for learning. Everywhere it's a concept of lifelong learning. So we feel that you are a regular student throughout life tells you. Even the AICT thrust areas, they have talked about the soft skills, they have talked about life skills. So new agenda is coming, life skill. When we are talking about life skills, that means online learning from this kind of loft career is going to do right fit and be able to fill the gap which has already been there, and lot many things are required in this area. But the content part is going to be a challenge. What kind of content can we be able to deliver? How we can improve our quality area? How we can be reached to these people? We know that there is going to be internet availability, electricity availability, and the data means the internet width is also required. So all those things, even the what kind of hardware they are using, what kind of mobile they are using, whether what kind of computers they are using, all these things we have to look into matter so that we can be able to reach them effectively.
क्यों बच्चों टेक्निया में आपके एडमिशन ले?
Technia is it's a 20. I'm in 20th my career, and Technia is already 20 classes.
Oh,
so already we have getting a niche in itself. Reason being, we are catering to 3 different fields: MBA, BBA, BCA, and the journalism mass communication. So all these areas now also students are doing the 16th edition of their media festival Virtuous, and in which around 66 institutes of media institutes are participating on the 2nd of November 2021. So online platform, they have taken online platform. They have already crossed 10K viewers on a single point of time. So now it's time that their student is creating those things for themselves. So I feel it that the education as far as theory, research, and extension activities, 3 aspects are very important. So the teaching is given by the syllabi. Research means teaching and research is the 2 sides of the same coin. If you are doing teaching without research, useless. If you are doing research without teaching, useless. So both aspects we carry forward, plus the extension activity for the overall development of the students. This thing, when we talk about the outreach programs, NSS, NCC, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Club, then we have got electoral literacy club. Then also we have got NSS and other eco club also. So that gives you fair amount of ideas, and each club has got around 17 to 18 different programs every year. So it comes out to more than 100 plus events throughout year. So they are busy in that affair. Thank you.
जी हाँ, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो ये थे डॉक्टर अजय कुमार जो खास तौर से कहते हैं आज रिसर्च की भी उतनी इंपॉर्टेंस है जितना एजुकेशन की, और ऐसे में अगर दोनों चीज़ है तो निश्चित तौर पर आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। कैमरा पर्सन राशि सर मांग नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी जरूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।